Hey guys, today I'm doing a room tour on Grandeur of the Seas, room 7569. So let's go. So right when you walk into the room, you have a very nice mirror above your bed. You have a nice bed that can split into two. Here is a little dresser to put your books, your tissues, and all that. And another one on the side, on the other side of your bed. Here is your TV, which is a very nice size. Here are some cabinets above your TV with your safe in it to keep all your belongings. Here is your mirror with some lights, some USB chargers. Here you can put drinks and your phone. Here is your blow dryer, which is very nice. Here you have your cupboard where you can put all your belongings like your shoes, your clothes, your suitcases, your backpacks if you brought any. Here are where you can put your suits, dresses. Here you have a very nice chair, which is a very decent sized chair. Here in your bathroom, you have your shower, your sink, and your toilet. Here's the inside of your shower. You have your soap to wash your hair. Here are your towels, your sink, and some garbage. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye!